Hello everyone. Today, we will draw an alien in his spaceship. Take a pencil and ruler and draw a grid tilted to the left. Draw the hull of the ship. Add the glass dome. Draw the antenna with radio waves. Draw the head, eye, mouth, and trumpet ears. Draw the steering wheel and two tentacles holding it. Draw a joystick and two tentacles on the right. Add some buttons and two more tentacles on the left. Draw a moon with some craters. Add a planet and some stars. Take a black marker to draw the clean lines. Add details to the steering wheel. Draw the outline of the ears and add a curve for the opening. Cut out a highlight in the pupil. Add some teeth. Add some lights to the hull. Turn the simple star sketches into real six-pointed stars. Add detail to the planet. Draw hatching lines to shade the craters. Add some bumpy lines to give texture to the moon. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. Now we can color our drawing. Color some parts black. Draw some light blue circles for distant stars. For the rest we can use dark blue, yellow, green, gray, dark red, and red. And some orange stripes in the planet. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.